Students, today we will discuss about sum of first n terms of an AP. So, sum of let A1, A2, A3 and so on up to A and R in AP. Now, we will find the first n terms. So, from A1 to AN, we will find the sum of n terms. We will find the sum of this AP. So, first in AP, we will write it as first term is A and second term is A plus D and third term is A plus 2D and the fourth term is A plus 3D and so on up to, and the last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So, these are the n terms. These terms are in AP. So, we will denote the sum of n terms as Sn. So, Sn equal to, I will add these all terms. So, A plus D plus A plus 2D and so on A plus n minus 1 into D. I will take this as equation number 1 and rewrite the terms in reverse order. Then we will get Sn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D plus A plus n minus 2 into D plus and so on plus A plus D plus A. I will take this as equation number 2. Now we will add equations 1 and 2. We will add equations 1 and 2. Then 2Sn is equal to so I will add these two terms. That means 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And I will add these two terms. Then plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Plus and so on 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, all the terms are same. Then, we will write it as Sn equal to these are n terms. So, that means we will write it as n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, 2Sn equal to n into 2A plus n minus 1 into. Now, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Then I will write this as Sn equal to n by 2 into, I will write 2A as A plus n minus 1 into D. So, this A plus n minus 1 into D is the last term. That is nth term. So, that means n by 2 into A plus L. That is last term. So, Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So, sum of first n terms Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Now, we will see the exercise problems. Exercise 6.3. Find the sum of the following APs. First one is 2, 7, 12 and so on up to 10 terms. First, I will write A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. And we will find the sum of 10 terms. So, that means n equal to n. So, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. So we will substitute the values. N is 10, 10 by 2 into 2 into a is 2 and plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is 5. Then 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So 5 into 49. So 5 into 49, that is 245. So sum of 10 terms equal to 245. And next problem, similarly, a is equal to minus 37, b equal to minus 33 minus of minus 37, that is equal to minus 33 plus 37, that is 4. And here n equal to 12. Now we will substitute the values in the formula. Sn equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into, sorry, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 12. So 12 by 2 into a is minus 37 plus n is 12, d is 4. Then we will get 6 into minus 74. Here 11 into 4 plus 44. So that is 6 into minus 74 plus 44, that is minus 34. That equal to, sorry, minus 30. Minus 30 minus 180. So sum of 12 terms is equal to minus 180. And next problem. Here they gave the decimals 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. So here a equal to 0.6, d equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 7 minus 6, 1, that is 1.1. And next n equal to 100. Now we will substitute the values. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 100 and a is 0.6 plus n is 100 minus 1 into d is 1.1. Then 50 into 2 into 0.6, that is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1, that is 9.9. So 1.2 99 into 1.1, that is sorry, 108.9. 108.9. So now we will add both these 50 into 110.1. So that is equal to 5505. So sum of 100 terms equal to 5505. Next problem. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on up to 11 terms. So here a is equal to 1 by 15, D equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. The LCM is 60. So 5 minus 4. So that is 1 by D is equal to 1 by 60 and N equal to 11. So Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is 11 and 2 into A is 1 by 15 plus N is 11 minus 1 into D is 1 by 60. So that is 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. So that is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. So 11 by 2 into here 15 and 6. LCM is 15, 6, 30. So 4 plus 5. So that is equal to 11 by 2 into, so 9 by 30. So that is equal to 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. 33 by 20. So sum of 11 terms equal to sum of 11 terms equal to 33 by 20. Next problem is find the sums given below. And in this first one is 7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 and so on up to 84. This is in AP. So A is equal to 7 and D equal to 10 1 by 2 minus 7. That is equal to 10 minus 7, that is 3. 3 1 by 2. So 3 1 by 2 means 7 by 2. And here the last term L equal to 84. We know that L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A plus N minus 1 into D. We will find the value of N. So L is 84 and A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D is 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7, that is 77 equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. So that means N minus 1 equal to 77 by 2 into 77 into 2 by 7. So N minus 1 equal to 22. That implies N equal to 23. So we also know that Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So N is 23. Then S23 equal to 23 by 2 into A is 7 and L is 84. So 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7, 91. So that is 91 into 23. So 2093 by 2. So that is equal to 1046 into 1 by 2. So therefore sum of these terms or 1046 into 1 by 2. So next one is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on up to 10. So this is also in AP. A is equal to 34, D equal to 32 minus 34, that is minus 2, and here the last term L equal to 10. So L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 10 equal to A is 34 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2. So 10, so minus 24 equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. This minus and this minus gets cancelled. So 24 by 2 is equal to N minus 1. So N minus 1 equal to 12, N equal to 13. So now Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So 13 equal to N is 13 by 2 into A is 34 plus L is 10. So that is equal to 13 by 2 into 44. So 13 into 22. 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26. So 286. So therefore sum of given AP equal to 286. Next problem is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 and so on minus 230. So here A equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5. So that is minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. And here last term L equal to minus 230. And we know that L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So that A is minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 3. So minus 230 equal to. So minus 230 equal to minus 230 plus 5 equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. So 220 minus 225 equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. This minus and this minus gets cancelled. So 225 by 3 equal to N minus 1. So 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. So N minus 1 equal to 75. That means N equal to 76. Now we will find Sn. So Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So S76 equal to 76 by 2 into A is minus 5 plus L is minus 230. So 76 by 2 into minus 5 minus 230, that is minus 235. So 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So 38 into minus 235. So 235 into 38. 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 1 10, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 0 8 5 13 9 8. So 8 9 3 0. So therefore sum of these terms equal to 8930. So 8390. So next problem. In an AP, given A equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. So given A equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and AN equal to 50. A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50. So we know that formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is 50. A is 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 3. That means 50 equal to 50 minus 5, that is 45. 45 equal to N minus 1 into 3. That implies N minus 1 equal to 45 by 3. So 15. So that means N is equal to 16. And we will find Sn also. So we know that Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So that is equal to 16 by 2 into A is 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D is 3. So that is equal to 2 8s are 16. So 8 into 5 2s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 3s are 45. So that is equal to 8 into 55. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 4. So Sn equal to 440. And next problem. So Sn equal to 440. And next, given A equal to 7, A 13 equal to 35. Find D and S13. So they gave A is equal to 7, A 13 equal to 35. That means A 13 equal to, we will write A 13 as A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So 35 is equal to A plus 13 minus 1, 12D. They give A is equal to 7. So 35 is equal to 7 plus 12D. So next problem. A equal to 7, A 13 equal to 35. Find D and S3. So A equal to 7. A 13 equal to 35. So we know that A 13 equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So that is 35 equal to A is 7 plus 12D. So 35 minus 7, 28 is equal to 12D. That means D is equal to 28 by 12. So 4 3s are 4 7s are. So D is equal to 7 by 3. So D is equal to 7 by 3. Now we will find S13. So that is S13 is equal to, we know Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here N is equal to 13. So 13 by 2 into A is 7 plus N is 13 minus 1 into D is 7 by 3. So that is 13 by 2 into 14 plus here 12. 12 into 7 by 3. So 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 28 plus 14. 42. So 21. 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 26 plus 1. 27. So 273. So therefore S13 equal to 273. So next problem is given A equal to 12, A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3, find A and S12. So A12 equal to 37 and D is equal to 3. So A12 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D. So A12 is 37. So A plus 11 into D is 3. So 37 is equal to A plus 33. So A is equal to 4. And we find S13. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S12 equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into a is 4 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d is 3. So 6 into 8 plus here 11 into 3 33. So that is 6 into 33 plus 8 41. So that equal to 246. So S12 equal to 246. And next A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125. Find D and A10. So A3 is equal to 15. That means A3 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. That is equal to A plus, A plus 3 minus 1 into, so A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 15. So this is, I will take it as equation number 1. And they gave S10. So S10 equal to, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 10. So that means 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d. That is equal to 5 into 2a plus 9d. So they gave S10 is equal to 125. So 125 is equal to 5 into 2a plus 9d. So 125 by 5, that is 25. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So from solving 1 and 2. So first equation is a plus 2d equal to 15. I will multiply first equation with 2. That is 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So first equation into 2. So minus minus minus. Minus 5d is equal to 5. So d equal to minus 1. And we will find A10. So A10, that is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So that is now here we find here D is equal to 1. Substitute the value of D in the first equation. So A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. So A minus 2 is equal to 15. A equal to 15 plus 2, 17. So now A10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So A is 17 plus 9. D is minus 1. So 17 minus 9. That is 8. So A10 equal to 8. D is equal to minus 1 and A10 equal to 8. Next problem, A equal to D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90, find n and an. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is 90. 90 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. So 90 equal to n by 2 into, I will cancel this 2 with this, so 2 plus 4 into n minus 1. So 90 equal to n into 2 plus 4n minus 4. So 90 equal to 2n plus 4n square minus 4n. So I will cancel both sides with 2. So 45 is equal to, here 2n minus 4n, that is minus 2n. Minus 2n, so 2 cancel. So 2n square minus n. So 2n square minus n. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So now we will find the factors. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. So 2n common, n minus 5 plus 9 common, n minus 5. So n is equal to 5, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. But we will take n is equal to 5 only. So now we will find the value of an. An is equal to n minus a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 2 plus n is 5 minus 1 into d. D is 8. So that is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8, 32. So that is equal to 34. An is equal to 34 and n equal to 5. And next, an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14. Find n and a. So sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So first of all we will find the value of a. So an is equal to 4, that means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. So a plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 4. So a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 2n. So a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Otherwise a plus 2n is equal to 6. So now we will find Sn. So Sn is equal to minus 14, that is n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So that is equal to minus 14 into n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 2. So minus 14 equal to n into, I will take 2 as common, this 2 and that 2 gets cancelled. So a plus n minus 1. A plus n minus 1. So from this, from this equation 1, I will write a as 6 minus 2n. So minus 14 equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. So minus 14 is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. So n into 5 minus n. That is equal to minus 14 into minus 14 equal to minus n square plus 5n. Now I will write this equation as n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. Now we will find the roots of these values. 7 2s are 14. So that implies n square minus 7n minus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. So that implies n into n minus 7 minus 2 into n minus 7. So n is equal to 7 comma 2. So now substitute the value of n in this equation. Substitute the value of n in this equation, then we will get a is equal to 6 minus 2 into n is 7. So a is equal to 6 minus 14. So that a is equal to minus 8. Sorry, here I will take plus minus 7n plus 2n. So plus. So here n is equal to 7 comma minus 2, but we will take n is equal to 7. Substitute n in this equation, then a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. So a equal to 6 minus 14. A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 and n is equal to 7. And next one, given L equal to 28, S equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So we will find the value of a. So Sn is 144 and they gave the total number of terms are 9. So that means n is equal to 9 by 2 into a plus L is 28. So 144 into 2 by 9 is equal to a plus 28. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 24, 3 8s are 24. So 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. So 16 2s are 32 is equal to a plus 28. So a is equal to 32 minus 28, that is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4.